Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add hyperlink in Elementor website. So first of all, you have to log in into this. If you didn't made an account, if you don't have any website, then just go and click get started. By the way, you have to buy a pricing. Basically, you have to buy a plan from the Elementor. So once you tap on login, here you will add your credential, basically email and password, and then you will be able to log in into this. So let's get started. I will explain you how to do this. In the Elementor editor, choose page to include a hyperlink in the text editor. As you can see here, this is my text editor right now. And basically you will get this option, and here these are some of the text which I've added. Then to add a hyperlink, add a text editor widget, right? The interface will look similar to this, and you can see here, once you're here, then from the text editor option, select the text to add the hyperlink and then choose the insert link option from the list. As you can see here that first of all you have to select any of the word and then right click on it and you will get this link option upper here. So tap on it and now you can just add the link from here. For example, let's say this is a word of Amazon. So I will just right click on it. I'll select that word first of all, and then I will just go and click on this link icon and I will add here. I will get an option to add a link and I can add the Amazon link here, and once that person, anybody click on that blue highlighted word, that person will redirect to Amazon, right? And the other thing is that if you want to send the visitor to a new tab, when someone click on the link, just click on the settings cog icon beside the arrow icon, right? Then you will get this checkbox to open in a new tab. Just check the box and click on add link, as you can see here over your screen. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. This is a very easy thing to do, and make sure to like this video, subscribe.